Hello, everyone, and welcome to Plamo Times. In this video we are going to review Blokees' latest model kit, the Action Edition 6, Optimus Prime. This version of Optimus is based on the multi-award-winning animated series Transformers Prime. If you're not aware, Blokees is a popular brand of affordable model kits based on hit franchises like Transformers, Marvel, and Ultraman. Unlike traditional figures, these kits arrive in pieces for you to assemble, though they focus on highly posable robot/character forms rather than transforming into vehicles. Their products ranges from beginner-friendly to complex multi-layered model kits that will satisfy any model kit builder. The assembly kits are highly stylized, feature multiple points of dynamic articulation, and often include eye-catching light-up elements, making them a budget-friendly favorite for both casual collectors and model kit hobbyists. The Action Edition 6 Optimus Prime is currently one of their top-tier products they offer. The model kit features pre-painted parts, multiple color-separated pieces, amazing articulation, an LED system with pulsing light effect, and various accessories that make it a truly dynamic model kit, perfect for recreating your favorite scenes from the animated series. Here you can see the multiple runners that are color-separated and highly detailed. The model kit also includes extra parts like multiple fixed-posed hands that are my personal choice instead of fully articulated ones, as they offer better stability and grip when using various accessories. The model kit also includes an action base, also called a display base. The Transformers brick also serves as the magnet that can activate and deactivate the LED system. Here are the various pre-painted and extra parts and accessories for Optimus. The kit includes a shoulder guard, one with the Autobots logo and one with the Decepticon logo, and 2 shades of glass panels so you can recreate iconic scenes from the animated series. There are also various option face parts for Optimus, including a serious face, a smiling face, an attacking face, and of course his iconic mouth plate and the matrix of leadership. The assembly model kit also includes rubber tires. Blokees did not have to do this, but they went the extra mile and actually gave rubber tires instead of molded plastic. The instruction manual is very easy to follow and conveniently shows you which runners to use for each segment. Admittedly, I did make a few mistakes here and there since the kit is quite complex. But that's all on me and not on Blokees. Let's get to assembling. First one is the head and neck unit. Notice how easy it is to swap Optimus' different face parts. Please do take note that I only did basic cleaning for the nubs. This is intentional as this video is a review video and I want you to see where the nub marks are visible. If you plan on painting your kit, this can help you plan ahead. Next up is the torso unit. The torso also houses the LED system. This torso is quite complex to assemble because it is packed with a lot of gimmicks, moving parts, and a waist and stomach articulation that is pretty amazing. If you've just noticed now, yes, the model kit has a full inner frame or skeleton frame, giving it superb articulation and stability. That torso was quite the assembly. Next up is the arm units. Just like the torso, the arms will have an inner frame that can extend to move the armor in such a way that it will give the arms more than 90-degree bend. What I love about Blokees model kit is how buttery smooth each part's assemble, something that I've never experienced in other brands. This makes disassembly easier if you want to paint the model kit. The arm assembly went smoothly, just a couple of mistakes on my part. I also went with the Autobots logo for the shoulder guards. Next up is the feet and leg unit. For some reason, I really enjoyed assembling the legs, as the engineering that went into making this model kit is quite awesome. Just like the rest of the body, the leg unit will have a full inner frame with the addition of moving armor parts that slides in and out as you bend the legs. And speaking of bending, the legs also sport some pretty great articulation, again, thanks to the full inner frame and the superb Blokees engineering. Next are the weapons accessories for Optimus. The model kit includes 2 energy blades, 2 arm cannons, and Optimus Prime's iconic star saber from the animated series. 2 sabers in fact, one with the glow effect, and the other, the deactivated saber. Finally, all parts are assembled. Time to put Optimus Prime all together. But before that, let's showcase the torso's opening chest gimmick, LED effect, and the matrix of leadership. Here is the LED system working in the dark so it shows better on camera. Alright, time to put Optimus together. And here you go. I have truly enjoyed building Blokees Action Edition 6 Optimus Prime. The model kit is a complex but very enjoyable assembly experience. The complexity is not a downside, but rather something that model kit builders will enjoy discovering along the way. The kit is very smooth to build, perfect for those who want to disassemble and paint it. The LED system is also a bonus, and great articulation from head to foot. I hope that you enjoyed this review. Would I recommend getting the Blokees Action Edition 6 Optimus Prime? Absolutely yes. Thank you for supporting Plamo Times. Do follow for more. Until next time.